Hello, I'm CGN. This is a quick video to show how to invert face orientation in Blender. In this tutorial, I will use a UV sphere, so we can add, merge, and add an UV sphere. Close up to view it, and we can select the UV sphere and go to edit mode. And I switch to side view. I want to delete the top faces, so I use X-ray mode and switch to face selection and select the top faces. And press delete and delete faces. So we have the half sphere and switch back to normal, turn off the X-ray mode. And if you want to show the face orientation, we can go to viewport overlays and open it. We can check the box face orientation. So we can see the red color is the back face and the original color is the front face. This is new setting in Blender 4.4 or later. If you want to set the front face to blue color, we have another tutorial to show it. Now I go back to invert the face orientation. Now make sure that we select the face selection and then select one of the face. I select it. And we can go to merge and we can find normals and we can use flip. So we flip the orientation. So we can see that the back face is outwards. To undo it, actually we can press A to select all the faces and then we can flip all the faces normal all together. So this is how we can invert face orientation in Blender. Thank you for watching this video. Hope this helped. Please subscribe to this channel. More video will be shared with you. I'm CG Yin. See you in the next video.